Up on the list, we have the Sam's Club MasterCard. Now, this is one of my favorite business accounts because this is probably the easiest business credit card to get qualified for. Now, for Sam's Club, you have to go in person in order to apply. You can't apply for the business card online. The personal card, yes, but the business card, you have to go in branch. Or even if you do apply for the business card, a lot of times they're going to ask for your social security number. So you have to be very adamant and just let them know, like, look, I'm applying for this under the business with 100% business or corporate liability.
Yo, what is going on, guys? It is Michael Shear, your second favorite Turo host. This time, we're going to talk about a little bit about business credit. And I'm actually on my way currently into Sam's Club. I'm going to try to apply for the Sam's Club business credit card. So this is actually going to be my first attempt. I've learned a lot about what it looks like, what to ask for, being very specific when trying to apply for this card. And as I would love to increase the business side of my Amazon FBA. So guys, I'm gonna get parked here and try not to hit somebody while I'm making a video. Alright, so from my understanding, when it comes to getting the Sam's Club business credit card, is that when you go in, you got to speak to the front lady customer service person. I always say lady, it's always a lady. I don't wonder why that is. They need to diversify into getting more men in the customer service roles. Just kidding, just kidding. But anyways, go to the representative at the front and ask specifically for the business credit card, because a lot of times they'll come up and it'll only ask for your personal information. In this case, I have the EIN, I have my LLC created, so I'm going to give them specifically my EIN number. All right, I'm gonna go in and check this thing out, see what happens. So we are inside and waiting in line currently. Yeah, no problem. So after being on a hold for roughly 10 minutes with Synchrony Bank, I guess that's assume that's the one that they use, the application said that it was denied, and they asked me if I wanted to personally guarantee it. I decided to go against that for right now, not worry about another hard inquiry on my personal side. So I definitely wanted to try out the EIN only Sam's Club business credit card. In this case, it was denied, and that's okay, quite all right. And just to show that not all YouTubers are out here just stacking up these cards, because this is not true. Sometimes you get denied and you just gotta look elsewhere. All right, guys, if this helped you out, make sure when you go into Sam's Club that you say that I want specifically the business credit card, because a lot of times the people behind the desk will actually ask, or not even knowing, will just send you to the credit application, and it's actually only for the personal side, and that's not what you want. You want to make sure that when you're applying for this one specifically, because Sam's Club does offer EIN only credit applications, that you can go on there, and it does ask you for a personal guarantee. If you want to, you can just hit skip and go to the next spot, wait 8 to 10 minutes on the phone with Synchrony Bank, boom, see what happens. All right, guys, if this is helpful, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time. Take care, y'all.